Why do we have a special lesson for only one verb? Because this verb is very, very irregular. In such sentences, we have two objects. I like something. The first object is I. I. Then comes the action, like, and then comes the object, something. This is my boyfriend. I like him. It is another object. I am another object. I like him. In English, we always say I, then comes like, and then comes him. In Russian, we can also say so, but we don't say I. We say to me. We put I in dative case. I have a lesson on dative case, but if you haven't watched this lesson, of course you have to watch it, but if you haven't, I will explain also for you. We put I, я, in dative case. It will be мне, to me, мне. Мне нравится мой друг. Мой друг, my friend or my boyfriend. Нравится, like, refers here not to me, but to this object, because I said not I like him, but I said to me something is attractive. Yes, so the action, the verb нравится, like, refers to that nice guy. That is why I can put that nice guy on the first place. I can say этот друг, этот парень мне нравится. Something is nice to me. Мне. Got it? Мне нравится. Мне нравится something. Then comes the object. If I want to ask you, do you like my boyfriend? I have to say тебе нравится my boyfriend, мой друг. Тебе нравится? Of course you like him very much, and you can say да, мне нравится он. If you don't like him, that is very strange if you don't like this nice guy. But you can definitely say мне не нравится твой друг. Мне не нравится. Тебе не нравится? Oh my God, how can it be? Тебе, as I hope you already understood that тебе is a dative case of ты, you. Вы in dative case will be вам. That is why I can ask you, вам нравятся мои уроки, мои видео? Вам нравятся они? I don't say вам нравится, because нравятся refer to the object and it refers to plural, my videos, my lesson. Вам нравятся мои уроки, по plural. Then comes он. Он, he, ему. Ему is to him. Ему нравится мой друг. Ей is to her, dative case of она, she. Ей нравятся мои уроки. It is оно. It is neutral singular pronoun. It has the same form in dative as masculine. Ему нравятся мои уроки. They is они. Они. In dative case it will be им. Им нравится. Им нравится. Negative is им не нравится. Question form is им нравится. Only intonation changes, nothing else. And finally, we. We is мы. In dative case it will be нам. Нам, you and me. Нам нравится русский язык. We like Russian language. Another variant of sentences with нравится is when we put object on the first place in the sentence. I can say русский язык, the object is on the first place. Русский язык нам нравится. Or мои уроки нам нравятся. The pronunciation is almost the same. Нравится, нравятся. The spelling is different, but when we pronounce, sometimes we don't hear any difference at all. What else? So singular is нравится, plural is нравятся. Sometimes I can ask, or you can ask about yourself, saying, do you like me? So the object we like is I here. Let's make a sentence. We put the object on the first place and we say я. Then we put, what do we put? We put you in dative case, to you. Я тебе нравлюсь. Нравлюсь is a singular form for I. Я нравлюсь. Я тебе нравлюсь. In English it will be do you like me? In Russian we can say тебе нравлюсь я, but it is not very common. Usually we ask я тебе нравлюсь. I think Spanish learners will understand it easily because they have the same idea. And if I want to say that I like you, I can also put you on the first place and I say ты мне нравишься. We also have two forms, нравлюсь, нравишься, for I and for you. Everything together. To summarize, я нравлюсь. Я нравлюсь. That doesn't mean that I like. That means that I am good as an object for somebody. Я нравлюсь. Ты нравишься. That means that you are good as an object. That you are attractive for somebody. Ты нравишься. For any singular, any other singular, он или оно или это, like an event, an occasion, a situation, we say это нравится, он нравится, оно нравится. If I want to say I like it, I just say мне нравится это, or это мне нравится. Both sentences mean the same thing. And for plural, these situations, these people, these cute animals, we say нравятся. We say мне нравятся эти животные. I like those animals. Мне, to me, нравятся, like these animals, эти животные. Your task to practice like is to make sentences for all pronouns for object велосипед. Велосипед is bicycle. You have to make Russian sentences. I like this bicycle. You like this bicycle. He likes this bicycle. She likes this bicycle. It likes this bicycle. They like this bicycle. And another group of sentences should be for objects in plural. Let's take those films. Those films. Эти фильмы. Фильмы. This is plural form of the noun film. A film. You have to make sentences. I like those films. You like those films. He, she likes. We like. They like. Put it in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Bye for now. Пока-пока.